China's trade shockwave. Why reliable supply rules the world. China's trade data just hit a historic milestone. In Q1 2026, total goods imports and exports smashed through $1.52 trillion. 11 trillion renminbi for the first time ever. But it's not just about the volume, it's about what the world is buying. The high-tech pivot mechanical and electrical products now make up a record 63% of total exports. In 2019, only 3 categories hit the $14 billion mark. Today that's jumped to 8 heavy hitters. Look at these Q1 2026 numbers. Integrated circuits, $70 billion or 507 billion RMB. Automatic data processing equipment and parts, $59.38 billion or 423 billion RMB. Automobiles, including chassis, $39 billion or 285 billion RMB. Mobile phones, $26 billion or 186 billion RMB. Storage batteries, including lithium batteries, $24 billion or 172 billion RMB. Auto parts, $23 billion or 170 billion RMB. General mechanical equipment, $17 billion or 125 billion RMB. Ships, $14 billion or 105 billion RMB. The reliability factor. Why is the world doubling down on made in China despite global tensions? It comes down to supply reliability. Amid global energy shocks, China offers the holy trinity of manufacturing, stable energy, lower costs, and predictable delivery. Global buyers aren't just looking for low prices. They are voting for the only supply chain that stays running when the rest of the world stops. China's trade isn't just growing, it's becoming irreplaceable.